Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's class 9, subject political science. Chapter is electoral politics, which is fourth chapter of your political science, or we can say civics. And today's topic of the discussion would be the role of Election Commission of India. So I just want to say you in advance that I have already uploaded two videos lecture about the chapter, and in which we have studied the various aspects and various things about the Election Commission of India. So you will find the link into the description box. You can check them out. And before going ahead, we'll just try to recapitulate certain points which we have already uh, studied in previous video lectures regarding the Election Commission of India. So before going just to the chapter, we will just try to discuss certain important points, just like the Election Commission of India is constitutional body. As I have already told you that Election Commission of India is constitutional body, so it operates under the authority of the Constitution per Article 324. So in our Constitution, it operates under the Article 324. So it administers election to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and offices of the president and vice president. That means the authority for conducting the election uh, of election commission is to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and offices of the president and vice president in our country. So as far as the formulation of the election commission is concerned, so the election commission of India was formed on 25th of January 1950. So which is also celebrated to nowadays in our country as a National Voters Day. So that it was 25th of January 1950 that the Election Commission of India came into the force. So let's come to the chapter which is the topic of the discussion today, that is the role of the Election Commission of India, or we can see the functions of the Election Commission of India. So I will just tell you in advance that the Election Commission of India plays a very important role in conducting free and fair election in our country. So it plays various functions during elections, especially. So here are some of the important functions which Election Commission of India plays during the election. So first important function which Election Commission of India plays, or we can say role which it plays during the election, is the preparation of electoral rolls. So it is an important function of Election Commission of India to prepare electoral rolls. The aim of the Election Commission is that the voters having the ability, or we can say the qualification, or adult franchise is deprived of its rights, um, or we can say right to vote. Beside this, for the election of the president, or we can say vice president, parliament, and assemblies, voter lists are prepared. So this is how the Election Commission of India prepares the electoral rolls. Next is to hold election of the president and vice president. So this is also important function and important role which Election Commission of India plays or performs. It is to hold election of the president and vice president. So in this, to prepare the list of the voters for election of the president and the vice president, especially the election commission prepares the eligibility, or we can say value per vote, and dates of election and announcement of the result of such election, that is, or we can say such election is done by the election commission only. So that means, so prepare to hold election to the presidential of office or office of the vice president is the totally responsibility of the election commission of India. So here it plays a very important role to conduct the election to the president and vice president also. So next is to conduct election to parliament and assembly. So it is also important function of election commission as it conducts election to the parliament and assemblies also. So it is the foremost duty of the election commission to hold the election for legislative bodies regularly. So it regularly we can say hold election for legislative assembly. So this is also important function which the election commission of India plays. Next is to recognize the political parties. So next important function or we can say role which election commission of India plays is to recognize the political parties. So the commission is also responsible for recognizing of various or we can say recognizing various political parties. So in this way any party which has received minimum or we can say minimum 4% voters of the total voter poll in any four states are declared as the national political party. So this is how the election commission plays its role. So next is the conduct of fair polls. So if we see the another important function or role of election commission is to conduct of fair polls. So it is the one of the important, or we can say the one of the foremost duty of the election commission to ensure that free and fair polls are conducted to strengthen the country, or we can say the country's democratic process and honor the rights of the voters taken care to elected right candidates are the candidates elected by popular vote. So this is how the Election Commission of India performs its duty, performs its task. So next is to allot election symbols. So this is important function which Election Commission of India plays while elections in our country. That is the the allotment, or we can say the allotment of election symbols. The Election Commission is responsible for preparation and allotment of election symbols to all national and regional political parties, beside allotment of the suitable symbols to independent candidates as well. So this is the important function. As per the tradition in India, we recognize the candidates by his election symbols as well as the political party use it as a strong weapon. So this is the important the chapter or we can say the function of the Election Commission of India. So this chapter will be continued in next video lecture. Till then,